Hello world, welcome to Java training, and in this video I'll be explaining the concepts of constructors in Java. So constructor is a special method, so it's a non-static method that has same name as that of class. So if we want to create a constructor in any of the class, so this is a sample class that I have created. So we have to create a method, non-static method. So non-static method do not have any specific keyword. So we will write down the method without any keyword, which has the same name as that of class. So this method is constructor. So constructor is a special non-static method which has the same name as that of class. It has no return type, but it returns an object of the class. But what happens if I'll try to put some return type here? Will it throw error? No, it will not throw error in this case, because as soon as you'll put the return type, it will not behave like a constructor. So it will be normal non-static method, but not constructor. We'll see the warning also. This method has a constructor name. So the compiler is trying to say that, boss, whatever name you have selected for the method should be the constructor name, but I'm not throwing error. I'm just giving you the warning. So change it to constructor. So a constructor will not have any return type. So as soon as you'll put the return type, it will not throw error. It will create another non-static method that will be not constructor. Just remember this very important point. And the second part of this says that it returns an object of the class. So how do we create the object of the class? We write down the class name, then the reference variable name equal to new, and then class name, like this, right? So this part, if you look closely, this is call to constructor. So when we call the constructor with new keyword, it will basically return the object of the class. Constructor do not have any return type, but it returns the object of the class. Next point, it is used to do something at the time of object creation and or used to initialize non-static field. This we will see in next lecture when I will discuss different type of constructor and few other important points. Constructor cannot be abstract and final. So abstract keyword and final keyword, we will discuss it later on. But right now, just remember that constructor cannot be abstract. You can see remove invalid modifier error is coming, and it cannot be final as well. Constructor cannot be static. So we have already seen that constructor are always non-static methods. So when you'll try to write down static keyword with constructor name, it will throw error. And this point, access of static and non-static stuff inside a constructor will happen like any other non-static method. So we have already discussed in the video where we have discussed the access of static and non-static stuff inside static and non-static method respectively. So it will behave like non-static methods in terms of access. There is no constructor inside an interface, and there can be a constructor inside an abstract class. So we will come to this point when we will discuss on interfaces as well as abstract classes. So this was the quick video on introduction to constructor. In next video, I'll discuss on different types of constructor in Java.